Aloha, this is how we jive mass communication. Here I'm again with another video. Here we go guys, you can see branding here, Incerunmen. Lovely packaging, they have a beautiful packaging here. You see skateboarding. They always pack you with a lovely package. You can see here it's a ziplock. So if you are traveling, you can take this pack. It will protect your cotton, your t-shirt. So without further ado, let me take this off from here. Beautiful looking t-shirt. You see, this is fashionable. You can see how it is, full body. If I go behind, lovely, full. You can use some boots at down, black jeans or black loose pant, whatever. But you can see how it is. If you use something with a loose pant, this type of t-shirt, something as Jeff Hardy Boys, Matt and Jeff Hardy, something as this. If you are a fan of wrestling, surely you know. It's a lovely looking t-shirt. See, lovely looking this one. The pack is good. The logo here, you see the tag number, black, small the size. Lovely looking pack. I like how they pack the product. Lovely. You have a zipper lock. So if you are traveling, you can carry this bag with you. So without further ado, let me take this off from here. See how beautiful this. Lovely. Here you can see guys, this is open. The zipper you can close or between you can leave as you feel comfortable. How it is, you can see, you can use with some jeans. As this one is tight, you can use with a tight jeans or loose pant as you like. Body stretch should be, let me show you how it is. The shoulder here, you see the size is perfect here. This is the small, so I like more tight fit. If you want to more loose, you can use as a loose but tight fit. It looks more elegant. You can see here how if you are going to restaurant, some party, you can use this one. Lovely zipper, lovely quality of zipper. You can see how it is. If you feel something tight here, you can stretch a bit because the cotton can stretch a bit according you want. Leave little bit more open if you want to look more masculine in this case. And if you want to look more relaxed, you can close this one as you feel more comfortable. Depend how you feel. You can use also with blazer. I can show you some blazer. This is my dressing room. So this is one of the from Zara here. Let me take this off and let me show you how you can use with a blazer this one. And how it looks with a blazer. You can see how beautiful, elegant this one is with a blazer. You see how elegant this one. Obviously a good looking, good size blazer from good brand. It would be better. See how it is. So I have one more for you. This one, you see, this is from Incerunmen. Packaging, the model number, the barcode of this product. Packaging is beautiful. The pack is always beautiful. They comes with always a zipper. You see here, zipper lock. So if you're traveling or other things, it will protect your clothes. So without any further ado, let me take this out. This lovely looking t-shirt. You can see guys, it has a long v-neck. So if you want, you can use some chain, some fat chain, slim as you feel comfortable. I'm using something fat, look more different or elegant. You see how it is. This is a tight fit, small size here. So it fits me good. Check your size properly because if it's something loose, it may not look that good. So good size is important. If you like loose fitting, that is another thing. But look at this close, how it is. The shoulder here is fine. You see stitching here, not just little bit. This cloth can stretch a bit as well. See here how beautiful neck here. The design goes all the way down. You can see here how is. Let me show you a little bit full body. You can use some black jeans or white color, whatever you like. You see here how it is full body. The down, it has one part here. Belts here you can use with the jeans or other type of pants you like. You can use also with a loose pant. You see I'm using with some boot to make it more rugged look, more strong. This is one Panama Jack. You can see a down. So high quality boot could be a sneaker for casual look. You can use as well. Here we go, guys. You see how beautiful this is. Incerunmen, the branding, lovely packaging. You can see how here is skateboarding. Style, fashion, white, small S, the size of this shirt. Fashionable, lovely. Is a zipper lock. You can see here. So you can save this pack for traveling or other purpose in the future. Here we go. Let's take this out. This shirt, guys, is small the size. Branding, lovely. If I open here, you see how the sleeve is lovely, more as a lord. You can see how beautiful this shirt is. I'll put now to show you guys. Here we go. You can use this one with a t-shirt as I'm using, or without t-shirt if you want. Lovely. You see how it is. You can use with a chain at the middle as I'm putting. You can see here how beautiful classical look it has. Let me come closer to show you the collar, guys, how it is. The zipper at the middle. V-neck t-shirt, could be round as well. You can see, guys, how is the shoulder. Lovely looking shoulder. This side as well, how is the stitching here. If I go backward, you see how it is. You can use with the jeans as I'm using now here. Something inside. If you want to close in some cases, you can close as well. See how closing look, elegant, lovely. If you use this type of shirt, put your body more straight, posture, looks great. Loose, open as this, how it is. If I show you full body how it is, you can see I'm using with some boots. You can use a sneaker as well, depends which type of fashion you want to show. So you can see how lovely this is looking. You can use some hat as this as well. You can open as this, lovely, magnificent. Lovely. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care till then, bye.